And today I am here with a mystery box and more. So we decided to do a thing where we make each other mystery boxes. She came all the way to my house to drop this off, and it's way past her bedtime. I record really late and we're gonna be opening it. She said it's all my favorite things. Money. Oh, I thought it would have my face on it or something. Look at all that. How much money is there in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $1,000 right there. This is about to be an expensive box.
Okay, I need that back now. I gotta pay rent.
Okay, well, first thing. Wow, I already have one of these, but I never tried it on. I was actually gonna put this in your box. So it's a fanny pack. You know, we'd be the connoisseurs of fanny packs, or at least I am. And then you just pop it on like this. Whoa, that actually looks real. That looks strangely realistic. Look at all that gut space. Oh, there's more money inside it. There's so much money. What am I gonna buy with all this?
Nothing, because it's for me.
We just giving it back?
Yes.
What's the point of you putting it in my box?
Expensive rent.
I don't trust this. I don't trust
You don't
this.
trust me?
No, I don't. It's a box, but what is in the box?
A surprise from your dear friend. Open it.
I know exactly what's in here. I don't want to open it. Boom! Boom!
Is that in my box too?
I got you one of these! I tried this out on Evan, and he like flinched and like fell back. Like he got so terrified. I've never seen him so scared. I felt so bad.
I wish you would have recorded that.
I didn't think he was gonna fall for it because like I slowly did it when I got it, and I'm like, who's gonna fall for this? Like it comes out so slowly, and then he's just like a shoelace.
Just another choker.
A random shoelace.
I gave you options.
A choker, 50 Shades of Grey edition. But this isn't like the fashion one. This is like the death one. Did you give me bread? Bread? She got me some bread. Some gluten. Potato hamburger. She wrote gluten on it.
Look at the
this
artwork.
Stale, crusty, and musty. How dare you bring this disgraceful loaf into my house? You really want to do this? I was so good at dodgeball.
Get this gluten out of my household.
Okay, what else we got? She got me a JoJo Siwa. I don't know what it is, but it's a JoJo Siwa.
It's a bath bomb. You need some happiness.
JoJo Siwa flavored bath bomb. Cotton candy scented. But she got bath bombs now. What this girl don't have? Oh, that smells heavenly. All the smell is gone. It's like as soon as I open the bag, all the scent is gone. It's a one sniff kind of ball. Disappointing. Who's this supposed to be for? Like, do toddlers take baths with bath bombs?
Yes.
I never did that when I was a kid. I only did that like 3 times as an adult. Why is this open? This made a sound. She wants me to think that it's a Himalayan salt Zen garden.
It is. Why
A Himalayan salt Zen garden. It made sounds. Oh, there's sand in it. That's why. Listen. It's like the ocean, but with salt. You really think I'm gonna put this together? You really think I'm gonna, look. It's a DIY. It's a DIY chunky salt.
We just cleaned.
I know, we just cleaned. The house is so clean. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna do this. So it comes with this little rake, and then you just like, is this supposed to be calming?
Yes.
My anxiety is flaring just because of how chunky this dang rock is. It's so chunky! So you put the salts in the middle like a human sacrifice. Mar, what is this? I shouldn't blame you. I shouldn't blame you. I should blame Room to Room, whoever made this. This has one use, seasoning my food, and that's it. Stop trying to calm me. You know what that means? You got some sweaty feet.
You got a sticky house.
Touche. What else we got? There's a trash bag. No, that's not a trash bag.
Don't insult your outfit.
Quality, this bag gotta be from Fashion Nova. Oh, are these those like trash bags that you wear to like, you run in them in the sun and it makes you sweat more?
Yes.
Are you calling me fat? She told me I'm fat and I need to lose weight. More. Whoa, you see that?
Stretchy.
Too stretchy. Boom. Is this what you want to see?
Oh, you look so fabulous. You're so beautiful.
I know.
2020 runway.
No, hold on. You want to see 2020 runway? You want to see 2020 runway? You see this? Fashion.
Only you could pull up this look. The camera woman's not ready, Leah.
What are you looking at? Get out of my way, peasant. Peasant, do you know how much this cost? Do you know how much this cost? Boy, you better get before I take these pants off. walk of shame back to my recording table. Okay, there's more. Wow. Do you think I like Avengers or something? You think I like the Hulk? Captain America! He's literally the worst Avenger. My least favorite. I hate Captain America.
It's a very unpopular opinion.
These are for 10-year-old boys. Do I look like a 10-year-old boy?
Yes.
Don't you dare call me attractive ever again.
That looks so good on you, stop!
They actually fit on me. They actually
so
fit
good.
perfect. This is actually my size.
Oh my god.
Who knew I was built like a 10-year-old boy?
You look amazing in those.
Thanks. Do you want to try them on?
Yes. They will fit one leg.
Ooh, they actually fit. They do be stretchy though.
Oh my god.
They do be stretchy
Look
though.
at this. That's how far up they go.
That's stretchy. It's shampoo in a bag.
Read.
Japanese tsubaki and rice water.
But read more.
Ultra gentle balanced formula. Oh! I'm like, what do you want me to read on this? So the brand is called My Kire.
Very impressive.
You literally bought this because it says Kire on
Yes.
it. If you guys don't know, that's my husbando. Kire means like beautiful. I've never seen shampoo in a bag.
Now you have.
I was gonna be like, how does it sit? But it does sit. It got better posture than me. Oh my gosh, Mar, you shouldn't have. She got me a Lambo. Digital could never. Having rich YouTuber friends is like a huge perk. It's like being friends with David Dobrik. Wait, can I drive this? Shut up, I just got a Lambo.
You broke the Lambo.
No, we gotta test this bad boy out. I go burr. What kind of lollipops are these? She knows I love honey so much. So she got me a dang honey stir. This is like me getting you a churro.
I don't like churros.
She was like, churro? When I found out you didn't like mozzarella, I was like mildly disappointed. These are so cute, but I hate honey. Maybe I'll use them to put up my hair. Boom.
Fabulous. You look gorgeous. Does anything look bad on you?
Honey straws. What is this?
I guess I called you fat again, accidentally.
Oh, you did. It's like she went to a dang fitness store and then got me like whatever's on clearance. So okay, let's see what we're gonna do. So this is just like a bunch of workouts. Like she acts like I can actually do these. 20 tricep dips.
Roll again.
30 bicycle crunches? Bro, what are you talking about? Oh, this one's for me. There we go. The only one I'm capable of doing. More chokers. Wow, wow, wow. It's a lot of chokers, but I'm still gonna wear this one. It's like no matter how many chokers I get, I'm always just gonna wear the same one. It's like no matter how many clothes I'm gonna buy, I'm still gonna wear the same shorts. I got like 5 pairs of these shorts. What is this? A massager? Whoa, I'm like slightly anemic because like look, you could see all the dots. Okay, at least I get a free massage out of it. This ah!
Oh my god! No!
This sucks. Garbage massage. 0 stars. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel if you guys want more videos like this. And make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click, click. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.